Roofs that are designed with seams mandate that a human being perfectly welds them together. And most of the time that takes multiple pieces of roofing material in multiple steps and multiple applications with multiple tools. And every time that we add multiple steps and multiple applications and multiple materials and multiple tools, that means the ability for human error. And it just so happens that the workforce that used to create great roofs is no longer here. And that's the reason why manufacturers make materials that are down to a single coating or a single ply. And that's also the failure point of most roofing systems, is they rely on too much human installation, and human error is what causes roof systems to fail. Not only is it the material itself down to a single ply, but a human being has to perfectly weld that seam together for miles up on top of a roof. Roofs should be seamless. They shouldn't take any tools to install. They should be simple. They should be easy, but they're complicated, and that's the reason why roofs fail. And that's the reason why we created WeatherWeld, to make a roof that's one seamless piece that's almost impossible for human error, that because it's as thick as it is and because of technology, it makes roofs seamless, and it makes roofs simple. It makes roofs watertight and eliminate roof leaks for the life of those buildings.